This is a 2005 Chevrolet Tahoe for when safety, size, and space are of importance. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include the adjustable driver pedals are another great feature. They allow you to tailor the position of the foot pedals, moving them closer and higher to perfect your control over the vehicle. Memory settings for the seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. Leather seats and steering wheel mounted controls. Heated side view mirrors, an 8-speaker stereo system, a CD player, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems. And it's easy to see why this automobile is an excellent choice. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
For everyday low pricing on new and used Ford cars and trucks, visit Mac Haik Ford. We are located at 10333 Katy Freeway in Houston. You can reach us at 800-280-2375.